Hi, I'm Doug James with Cavanaugh Flight Museum, and we're up here at North Texas Regional having a little fly days. We're hoping to kind of expand our exhibits and our museum from the Addison Airport up into the Grayson County area. We'll be doing events off and on. This is kind of our first time. We're having a great time.
I'm the president of EAA Chapter 323. We are based at Sherman Airport, but today we're at North Texas Regional with the Cavanaugh Flight Museum. They're having a flight this Saturday all day long, and we're out here assisting them with ground control, and safety purposes there. Anytime, we'd love to have anybody come on out to North Texas and over to Sherman and fly with us at any time.